The body donation programme was launched in 1975. We currently have 5,000 registered donors. The programme is important for students, doctors, nurses, midwives, physiotherapists and medical professionals to learn structure and function of the human body. The students are always reminded that the donors are someone's loved one, and respect and dignity are at the forefront of everything that they do.
So my name's Rosemary Cunningham, and my father donated his body to Leicester University in 2017. But he was very well prepared. He told me in advance, several years in advance, what I had to do. He told me there was a telephone number I had to call. Immediately after he died, he told me exactly where the information was. I knew it had to happen. I'm an ex-nurse myself. I've been to dissection labs in London with a blind friend some years ago, so I'd experienced the process myself, and I just knew it absolutely had to happen.
Dissection starts in our first year of medical school, and our body donors here at Leicester are treated like our first patients. That's how they're introduced to us, and that's how we care for them and really understand that once they were a living person. My time in the dissection room has been invaluable, moving on to clinical years now, taking not only the clinical anatomy with me, but also the softer skills that you learn alongside this. Respect, dignity, empathy, all key themes that will continue on into my clinical practice.
I think one of the most important things is that all the medical students I know are extremely grateful to all the donors we have down in the dissection room. It gives us the opportunity to learn anatomy in such a hands-on way that is something that you just don't get elsewhere. And without our donors, we simply wouldn't be able to do this.
I have a huge belief in this body donation programme. The students really get proper experience in deeply understanding bodies and doing the dissection themselves. So that's why I was so pleased that my father's body was left to Leicester, and I will do the same myself.